Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a habit many of us have at work, apologizing too much. So, let's talk about why we need to ditch the I'm sorry reflex and smarten up our approach. First off, constantly saying sorry can undermine your authority and confidence. It can make you seem unsure of yourself. Instead, try rephrasing. If you're late on a deadline, don't say I'm sorry I'm late. Say thank you for your patience. See the difference? You're acknowledging the situation without devaluing yourself. Next, let's talk about feedback. Many of us instinctively apologize when we receive criticism. Instead of saying, I'm sorry I messed up, say, I appreciate your feedback. I'll improve this. This shows you're proactive and open to growth. Another scenario, when you need to interrupt someone. Rather than, sorry to bother you, try, do you have a moment? This is much more professional and respects both your time and theirs. Now let's address email etiquette. Do you find yourself typing sorry for the delay often? Switch it up with, thank you for your patience. It reframes the conversation positively and keeps the focus forward. Remember, confidence is key in professional settings. If you make a mistake, own it and move on. For example, instead of, I'm sorry for the error, say, I made an error. Here's the solution. Problem solving beats self-doubt every time. Let's not forget about meetings. If you're running late, don't rush in with a flurry of apologies. Instead say, thank you for waiting. Let's get started. It's assertive and keeps the focus on productivity. And hey, if you're new and learning the ropes, don't apologize for asking questions. Instead say, I'd like to understand this better. Could you explain? It shows initiative and eagerness to learn. Ultimately, it's about shifting from a mindset of guilt to one of gratitude and positivity. You're not downplaying mistakes, but reframing your language to keep things constructive and forward-thinking. So, ditch the apologies. Implement these changes, and you'll project confidence and professionalism in no time. All right, folks, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on working smarter, not harder. Until next time, keep pushing forward.